What's good, guys? What's good? Your boy Mandy Bill here, back yet again with another video. So if you are new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button because you need to get along with the journey. Okay, you need to join the journey because my goal is to become consistent in the next 12 months. Okay, I'm an intermediate trader. I'm not profitable yet, so if you guys like what I do, please like the video too and stick around this channel because I'm gonna be giving you guys the updates of my life and my account every week. So welcome back to the channel. If you've been following this journey, welcome back to the channel. And also, guys, don't forget to like this video because by liking the video, YouTube recommends the video to many people if you like the video. So I consider you liking this video because it will help. Okay, so last week we took some trades, about 6, and only one was a win. The rest of the trades were losses. That one win was able to take us out of drawdown because we were in a huge drawdown. And now the one win took us out of drawdown, but not fully because we still had some small drawdown. That was last week. So I'm gonna go ahead and break down the last week's trades for you guys to see what happened, what was my mistakes, and I'm gonna just show you guys to see all that. So without wasting time, let's go straight to the video. Okay, first we had got Jeff. This trade was only one which was a win. Okay, we had a break of structure from here. As you guys can see, we had a break of structure from here, so price went up and then retraced. So for our retracement, we want to see at least 3 candlesticks on the 4-hour to form and close. Then we start looking for our chart patterns behind the 3 candlesticks that form. So we want to see a break of structure from here and then price to go and then retrace at least 3 candlesticks. So from there on, we start to look for our chart patterns. I went on to 1 hour time frame and I had my other level down here, so I wanted price, if price could push down up to here, then it would be a double bottom, something like that. But this gave me an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So from there on, I moved down to 30 minutes time frame. As you guys know, I execute my trades based on 30 minutes time frame. So once I see a bullish candle or bearish candle, depending on the direction, I'll just execute without looking back or any other thing, as long as my setups have aligned. Here, as this is the bullish candle right here. This is the bullish candle, so I had to go in. This trade played out correctly. It was last Friday when we had NFP, so NFP went in my favor, and this trade was so amazing. I was so happy, although the week was not good for us. I risked $1 to make maybe $3 to make 5, something like that, to make 4. So then Euro GBP, as you guys can see, we were expecting price to move up, to push to the upside, but price disrespected our setup. Okay, so I took the trade from somewhere here. This was on, let me see, on Wednesday. So I took the trade on Wednesday. Why? Because we had a break of structure from here. Price was coming, was creating lower lows and stuff, so it had to break structure from here and turn bullish. So we had to retrace down, and then I was looking for my chart patterns to go bullish. So I'm gonna explain this because if you come down here, guys, you might say, okay, price had become bearish. Okay, if you come here, you might say price had become bearish, but to me, the way I trade, for price to become bearish, I want to see these candlesticks to be 3, I mean at least 3. Okay, so to close, I want them to close above the other, but this closed in it just closed in, which means I had 2 candlesticks. So I wanted to see 3 candlesticks closing for this trade not to be valid. Then I would not take this trade, but it was valid for me. Okay, that's just how I trade. So I had to take it because I'm just following my plan. So there we took the trade, and it disrespected our setup. So on the 1 hour time frame, we can see there's this double bottom, right, as you guys can see, but also we had an inverse head and shoulder, as you guys can see from here. Let me show you guys. Because price came like this, put down the left shoulder and created the head, and then came there, and the bearish candle landed on the right shoulder. Then from there we went up. So there I had to go over to 30 minutes time frame and look for my bullish candlestick. So here we had it. This was the bullish candlestick. As you guys can see, this was the bullish candlestick, because we had this one bearish candlestick, and this bullish candlestick next to this bearish candlestick was not enough to close above to engulf it. So the second one engulfed it. So they both engulfed. So for me, I count it as bullish engulfing. Because price was not giving me my risk to reward, I had to bring this stuff, this one, then divide it into 2, at least for me to have a proper risk to reward. So let's go over to the next pair. By the way, guys, we also missed some trades. Okay, we missed some trades because I had my 1, 2, 3 candlesticks from here on USDHF. So I went down to 1 hour time frame. There I had my double bottom, but I was waiting for price to come and tap me from this level. Okay, I had put this level here, so I wanted price to come and tap this level and then give me my bullish candle, and I could go bullish, guys. So on the 30 minutes time frame, but price did not come and tap me. Price didn't tap me. So guys, we missed some trades, and it's okay. And also this trade too, we missed it. Okay, so we had EuroChef trade, which was lining up so nicely, guys, as you guys can see. So we missed it too. Coming over to the 4 hour time frame, so we had this break of structure, as you guys can see. We had the break of structure, and then price went up, then came retraced. So we had to go over to 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I had my double bottom. Okay, so let me draw it for you guys to see. I had this double bottom, as you guys can see, right? So that was my double bottom. Okay, let me delete it for you guys to have a proper look. So from the double bottom, we had to go over to, that was my level. Okay, that was my level. So I went down to 30 minutes time frame, and you see, as you guys can see, that's my bullish engulfing candle. So it didn't give me the risk to reward, because as you guys, you know, for me, I trade 1:3 risk to reward. So I missed this trade because I put this, I wanted to divide this candlestick into 2, so I would wait for price to come and tap me somewhere there, just to give me my risk to reward that I wanted. So 1:3, or else I would take this trade like I could just go in. Let's say if I taken it from there, okay, then I still would be okay. But you never know what's gonna happen, guys. Just sometimes we make mistakes and do stuff. We missed it. It would have been a beautiful trade, and we would not be in the drawdown. Okay, we would not be in drawdown because of these two trades. I mean 3 trades. And also guys, we had these losses, like 2 of them. So from here we had a break of structure to the downside, then price retraced. As you guys can see, price retraced and we went to 1 hour time frame. Guys, here I took 2 losses. If I try to move this aside, you can see these 2. So I took 2 losses on this trade. As you guys can see, this was my this was my double top. As you guys can see, this was a double top. Let me draw this level for you guys to see. So that was a double top. Okay, so price went up there and gave us touched the other level, so we had to come to 30 minutes time frame. So you guys can see there we had from here we had our bearish engulfing candle. So after taking us out, we still went, like price was looking good again, so we went in again and we just had a loss. So last week was not good, guys. And also guys, this euro USD trade, we also missed it because it was NFP, and NFP just played out last Friday. It played out in my favor. So as you guys can see, the other Friday was NFP. So this trade played out correctly. As you guys can see, we had a break of structure from here. Okay, so we had a break of structure and price dropped down and then retraced. Okay, so price retraced there. Now I had to look for my chart patterns to confirm my move. So here was our double top. As you guys can see, it's so clear. Let me use this rectangle tool for you guys to see clearly. So we had a double top from there, and so for me, I was looking for price to give me only a bearish engulfing candle on the 30 minutes time frame, but I never wanted to trade this because it was approaching news time, so I never wanted to risk my account, my one and only account. But then if I had an account of maybe trading news only, if I had that account of trading news only, then I would be good. I would just flip the account. But here I had no chance because I never wanted to flip to take this trade because it was risky, guys. It was so risky because here we had our bearish engulfing candle, as you guys can see. So it was just the matter of taking the trade from this close to the downside. So it respected so nicely. So as you guys can see, the dashboard is showing $69 US. So this was because of the drawdown we are in. As you guys can see, we have these the chart is not as bad as I know. Okay, the chart is not bad yet, so we have this still moving to the upside, but it's just that here is still consolidating a bit. About here it's consolidating, so hopefully the chart is not gonna be bad. So you guys can see for the first week this bad week was here. Okay, so this is the week that we had the massive drawdown. I mean, it was not massive, but some small drawdown. So we had this drawdown. It was negative 1.67 drawdown. It was not big, just a little bit. And so this is the current week that we haven't completed yet. So June is still showing us some small loss. Okay, we are still at the start of June. We haven't ended the month yet, so it's showing us we are in some small loss in June. And also this chart is still like this. Okay, so this chart is showing us that
we are still good. Okay, it's just that we are ranging somewhere about here. Okay, we just need to see the chart just go up like that, but it's still ranging something like that, so let's not worry.